Hi everyone, this is a tutorial video for teachers on how to conduct Google Meet sessions via Google Classroom. In this video, I'm going to share on how to generate a Google Meet link via Google Classroom, how to join or start a presentation, how to set up the layout in the Google Meet session, and how to record a video via Google Meet. To begin with, you need to log on to your Google Classroom and to select the class which you need to conduct your video conference with. So I select this class. Now, under the stream page of your Google Classroom, you should be able to see the name of your class, the class code, and the Meet link, which is the Google Meet link. So then you can use this link to start up a Google Meet with your students. However, some teachers require some privacy because when the Meet link is visible to your students, they can call you at any time. So to prevent that from happening, you can actually make it invisible to your students. How to do about that? Go to Setting. Under the General part, scroll down. You should be able to see the Meet link here. So the Meet icon is here, the Meet link, and visible to student. Unselect the button, and click Save. Moving on, we are about to start a Google Meet session with the students. And in order to do that, we have to share the Meet link with the student. As I have made it not visible to the students, students are not able to see the link in their stream page unless I share it with them. Highlight the link and right-click, click on Copy. And then I click on Share, Add Link, right-click, Paste, Add Link. So here, the class video meeting appeared, and I'll type them the message. And I post it. There, a link has been generated and shared with the student. Students will be notified via their Google Classroom. Alright, the students are notified about the video conference and we are ready to start the meeting. So just click on the link. It will direct you to the Google Meet website. As I access this through a laptop, this is the layout and this is me. Hi! Alright, then just tell the students to click on Join Now. Then this pop-up informs you that you can actually invite more people to join your Google Meet using the meeting nickname, which can only be used by Ministry of Education Malaysia. It means people of the same email domain can join in this Google Meet. So if your students are accessing their Google Meet through their phone, just tell them to key in this code if they don't have the link. But if they have the link, they will be directed to the website just now, okay, and they can just join straight away. However, after you have joined in and you want more people to join, you can still copy the joining info, or okay, see, copy meeting link, okay, or you can invite people that you know, okay, like I would like my other friends, colleagues, friends to join in. So I will click on the name and send them an email to ask them to join my meeting. Okay, so here is me again. If I don't wish to see my own face appear in the video, I can disable my camera, turn it off. Okay, so you can only hear my voice. And if I do not want to hear my own voice, or I would like to mute myself, I can also turn off the microphone. Okay, all right. Now, let's get familiar with the interface here. Okay, so here's the part where you can access for the Google Meet details. Okay, as what you see on the pop-up just now. Okay, and this is the captions. Captions means when you speak, it will record what you say. So it enables the listeners or the viewers to understand you better. So here it is. Okay, so I disable it. Okay, now I would like to see who are in the meeting. Okay, but of course currently I'm the only person in the meeting. But if you click on the button just now, let me show you again. If you click on the show everyone button, you can actually see your participants here, means your students here. Okay, and if you would like to see their chat, you like to get in contact with them by asking them typed written message, just say hello students. Okay, and they can also respond to you via chat. Okay, so they do not have to turn on their mic every time they would like to say hello teacher. Okay, get back to people here. Okay, if you explore on this three dots button here, okay, icon here, you can actually go for more options. Just click on it. You can see that you can do video, record meeting, change layout, okay, full screen, turns on captions, which I did with you just now, setting, use the phone for audio, and many others. Okay, so I'll go back to that later. Now, I would like to share with you on how to present things that we would like to share, how to present our screen on, for example, a PowerPoint using Google Meet. So just click on the button present now, this one. Okay, you can have option to share your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. So if you are sharing your whole screen, means what you see on your laptop is what you share with your audience. So I'm going to show you how it is. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So if I share this, okay, my audience is going to see my presentation, okay, as what I showed them. However, if you are seeing this, you are presenting to everyone, it is because we have not pinned the screen that we are sharing with our audience. So just click on pin. Okay, see there are two names here, and click on the other presenting icon and pin it. So if I unpin it, again, it will go back to my original one, the one that with the audio. But if I pin the one that I have here, okay, so you will see the entire screen. Okay, so you see a lot of duplicates because I share my entire screen. Now, I want to stop presenting and I would like to share other things, not my entire screen, because I don't want it to appear as a duplicate like what you've seen just now. Alright, just now we presented the entire screen. Now I'd like to share with you, present now with a Chrome tab. Perhaps I would like to share on a Chrome tab, YouTube. Right. So again, pin. This is what my student will see. This is what my student will see. Okay. So if I play a video, that would be what they will see. Okay, here. This is what your student will see. Okay. Right. And now I would like to share with you on how to share your PowerPoint presentation or maybe other window application using your Google Meet. So we have to click on Present Now and choose a window. But before we can do that, you need to make sure that you have opened your application window prior to your presentation. So I have opened a PowerPoint presentation, 2 PowerPoint presentation, and Microsoft Word, and also the Google Chrome page. Okay, so then I need to choose a window to present. So when I click on this, this will appear, and I can choose which one I want to share. Okay, now I choose PowerPoint presentation, and I share it. Click. Okay, so after I click on that button, the Google Meet will direct me to PowerPoint presentation, and this is exactly what I see. So the problem now is I cannot see what happened in my Google Meet. Okay, if there's any students asking question or they need any help, I cannot see it. So there's actually a solution for that, which is you can minimize your page. Okay, in your PowerPoint presentation, minimize the page and resize and drag the PowerPoint presentation slide accordingly. Okay, and make sure that you are good enough to see what happened in your Google Meet. So like what I did, I resize. I make sure that I can see the control panel when I need it. Okay, for Google Meet, control panel for Google Meet, and I can also see my students, okay, whatever happened during the video presentation, and I can also check on their chats from time to time. Okay, alright. So now what you see on the screen is you are presenting to everyone. So if you want to see your PowerPoint presentation in your Google Meet, you have to pin it on your screen like this. Okay. Right, and you may go to your PowerPoint presentation and present accordingly. Just minimize the thumbnail because that is not important. You don't want them to focus on that. You want them to focus on what you're presenting. So just enlarge the part that you're presenting, okay, and yeah, show it to them, right? So whatever changes that happen in your PowerPoint presentation, they can also see it. Okay, so I now go back to Google Meet layout. Okay, so this is what they see. But if you want to do any changes to your PowerPoint, okay, perhaps you want to jot down notes, you want to tell them anything, you can write down. Okay, you can write down, you can jot down notes. Okay, perhaps you want to do calculation for maths teacher, so you can write down and they can see. Okay, so I go back to Google Meet layout. Yeah, this is what your student is looking at. Here's the last part of our Google Meet tutorial, and I'm going to show you the record meeting function. In order to get to the record meeting function, we have to go to more options button here, click on it, and record meeting function is right on top of the panel. Okay, click on record meeting, and this message will pop up asking for consent. So accepting it means you allow things to be recorded, but if you decline, the recording will not happen. Okay, so just click accept, and the recording will start soon. Okay, look at this recording button here. Yes, it has turned red, means the recording has finally started. So whatever things happen in your video conference after this red recording button is on will be recorded, and that includes the messages that you sent. Okay. So then, you can present accordingly whatever you wish to inform your student. Okay. And this record function can also act as a video recorder even without any participants. Like now, I'm having no participants, but I am recording a video for my PDPC. Okay, so just present accordingly. Alright, then when you are done with your presentation, okay, you may go back to the control panel. You are presenting here. Okay, do stop presenting, and if you wish to stop your recording, just go back to this function and click stop recording, and it will prompt you whether you want to stop the recording or not. Just click stop. Okay, so the recording will be saved to Google Drive, and an email will be sent to your inbox to inform you that the video is ready. However, it will take up some time because it takes time to generate. Last but not least, if you wish to end your video conference with just a simple click on the leave call button, you are out of the video conference. Okay, see, you left the meeting. However, if that is an accident that you left the meeting accidentally and you want to rejoin, you can always click on the rejoin button and you will connect it to the same video conference room. Okay. Alright, I think that's all. I hope it benefits you. Thank you very much. Good luck.